Hi everyone, welcome back to my cross stitch channel. Today I want to show you two packages that I received in the mail yesterday. And these are new cross stitch kits. I ordered them from Russia, and I'm not going to tell you what website I ordered them from because I'm not sponsored. I bought everything for my own money. It took me about 2 weeks to receive these two packages, and one of them was a little bit damaged. It came like this. I hope everything is okay inside. This is the little one. The bigger one seems to be okay. So I can't wait to open these two and show you what I've ordered. So stay tuned. Well, let's get started. I'm going to show you what I bought. This is the first one. This is Magic Needle, Russian company. Beautiful roses. Roses for the Duchess. And the finished work is, project is 15 by 11 inches or 40 by 30 centimeters. It has 34 colors. And it's probably, the floss is Russian made in Russia. This is what it looks like. This is the article number. And this is the chart. It's very easy to follow, it's in color. And here you can see the floss. I think it's Gamma. What's it? It's called Russian. Second one, this is also from Magic Needle. This is the article number. This is called Solomilitude, if I'm reading it right. This is 6 by 10 inches, has 25 colors, and it's stitched on 14 count Ada fabric. This is the floss, it's Gamma. Next one is also by Magic Needle. Article number. It's beautiful flowers with a beautiful land and butterflies. Light of Hope, it's called. It's 6 by 9 inches, 37 colors, 14 count Ada fabric. Has some back stitching as well. Next one is also by Magic Needle. Article number. Sorry about the lighting, but it looks very, very beautiful. like a summer evening at a cafe. The finished work is 15 by 12 inches, 48 colors, 14 count Aida fabric. This one is really thick. It has a lot of thread in it. Next one is also by Magic Needle. Article number. This reminds me of Belgium a little bit. Dreams come true. This is 16 by 12 inches, 47 colors, 14 count Aida. You can read yourself here. All the information is here. There are a lot of colors that change a lot of the time. I think that this one would look very nice together with this one if you frame them together. This is by Panna, also Russian made. This is a very like fall, autumn theme. I think I'm gonna cross stitch it next year for next fall, next autumn. It's called Autumn at the Door. This is the floss. Looks like it's 14 or 16 count Aida fabric. And the finished work is 10 by 13 inches or 26 by 34.5 centimeters. This is by Letty Stitch. I don't think that this is made in Russia. I think it's either Great Britain or is it Moldova? I'm not sure. Beautiful roses. No, you can read it, it's from London. It is Zweigart fabric and Anchor threads floss. $50 colors will be 37 by 32 centimeters or 12.5 by 14.5 inches. And the chart is in black and white, unfortunately. Next one, I think this is Russian. I'm not sure, Russian or maybe from Belarus, I'm not sure. This is from Alisa. Beautiful poppies, white poppies. And the finished work is 40 by 27 inches. The chart is in color. Easy to follow. And here you can see the floss. The article number is 238. This is Aida fabric. I think that the fabric and the floss is from Russia. It's Russian made. It's not Zweigart. It's not DMC or Anchor. But it's really beautiful. Next one. This is by Riolis. Cross stitch kit. Beautiful geese. And it's 30 by 40 centimeters. Article number. And this has color chart, 14 count colored Zweigart Aida fabric, anchor floss. And if you look at the pictures here, I have this one. I haven't cross-stitched yet. And the last one. Sorry about the lighting. Also by Riolis. Article number. Beautiful. This reminds me of classical music and Mozart. Pastoral. This is like a very big box. And you have instruction in different languages. And the finished size is 40 by 50 centimeters or 15 by 19 inches. This is Zweigart fabric and anchor threads. Beautiful. So, these are the kits that I bought. What do you think about them? Did you like any of them? Would you like to cross-stitch one of them? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe because I have lots more to come. And I'm waiting for 2 more orders that I placed for cross-stitch kits. One from US and one from Russia. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe. And I hope you have a great day, a great week. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.